Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today is gonna be a little bit of a different type of video. We're gonna be actually installing springs on my friend's Mustang. We're about to go pick the car up right now. Oh, and speaking of my ride, here is this guy. Look who picked me up! Alright, we just picked up the car and now we're heading back to the house so that we can put these springs on for him, and then he actually had me put on his drag pack for him so that we can do all that. So I'll see y'all when I get to the house. Alright guys, so we got the car home and now we're about to get these springs put in. So I'm about to catch y'all back up. We got to move some cars around and then we're gonna get up in the garage and get it lifted up. Alright, so we're about to jack this car up and then get the wheels off and then get the suspension on. Alright, now should I get the jack stands out of there. That should be tall enough to do this. Alright, so look, when you get up in here, it's very simple. Right here, 1, 2, this is gonna disconnect. You gotta take off this brake line so you're not pulling on it. You gotta take out this subframe bolt, another subframe bolt, and then 2 smaller bolts that are gonna hold this bracket in. And this whole thing's gonna come down. You just push down on it, this spring, come right out. I'll show y'all what it looks like once I take everything off. Alright, so grab the OM pack. I'm gonna stick this right here. There you go. Take that off. Then change to a, oh shit. So now the shock's loose. There you go. All right. Under here and kind of just jack it up right here. Just get the pressure off of it. You're gonna grab your 21 and come right here to these subframe bolts right here, and you're just going to take that one completely out. All right, now you want to get this subframe bolt. That socket on. Oh, might need a shorter socket. Yep, 1 second. Now we got a short socket. Let's put this right here. Damn, that thing is stuck. Take this off. Fucking damn, get the subframe bolts out, and now you can get the spring out. Now lower the jack. You can see right there, that spring is pretty much out. All right, so we got the spring in. We're now trying to get the spring spacer in. There we go. Okay, now pull that out. Perfect. All right, everything's back in. Subframe bolts are all tightened up and torqued down. The actual shock's all tightened up and torqued. And then I put these little 2 bolts in and the brake line back in. Everything's back on, the spring spacer's in there, the actual stoppers right there, and the springs right there. So yeah, there we go. And after we get that side done, we'll pretty much be done. Then we'll be able to get these welds on. Once we get these welds on, we're gonna lower the car back up and go take it on a test drive. And then I will take y'all with me. We'll get some pictures for him and just make sure the car's running as it's supposed to be running. All right, so now we're completely done with the suspension. The stock springs are back in, the spring spacers are back in, and now we're just gonna put these welds on. Then I'll pick you right up and I'll show you what the final product looks like on the car and how it sits. How you manhandle a weld. Ugh. I didn't even pick that shit up off the ground line. All right, now we're about to drop it. I want y'all to see this fitment. See if it looks good. Slow and easy. All right, now the car is on its own weight. Damn! All right, set to 150. And now, always torque in star patterns, guys. Long strides. Don't go short, little fast strides. You just always want to. Damn, dude. Damn. Feels like paparazzi. All right, now we're gonna start it and we're gonna pull it out so I can move everything back in, and then we'll be good. Now we're about to do a pull in Mexico. We just got the car back out here, so all right, ready? All right, I've never driven a 10-speed before, and honestly, I'm pretty impressed. I've always been manual, and I don't know, dude. I'm honestly kind of lost for words. It's kind of a great car. It sounds great. Tires are hooking, suspension's doing what it's supposed to do. So that's a good job done. And now I'm gonna go bring the car back to him and then send it the video, guys. So I hope you enjoyed watching. Tune in for the next video. We got a Christmas special in about 2 weeks. So be on the lookout for that. And thank you for watching.